Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter, GoPro X, and CHK. So Twitter, bulls trying to find their higher low. Support right now is 1739, and we have an inside bar on the daily. So if the bulls can break the daily lower high pattern and break this inside bar with a break of 1778, that will be ever more convincing that our higher low of 1739 has been established. So this is still a potential little cup and handle pattern, with the psychology here being the inability to break the left side, consolidation, and if we see a breakout, that will confirm and we will continue filling this gap on the daily. But we have to see this follow through first things first and break the high of today tomorrow to be looking for continuation. We are right at this 100-week moving average. That's at 1776. So if we can close more convincingly above this level, then we know the bulls have momentum in their favor, and we will be looking for that break. Again, the bulls aren't really proving anything here. We can prove a higher low, but we're not proving much for strength unless we break 1829 to break these little lower highs on the daily and try and be heading back towards filling this gap. GoPro was a very clear bear play today and a pretty easy day trade, where we had the break of the double bottom at 971 as bear signal number 1. Bear signal number 2 was a break of 961, confirming the bear flag, and then we dropped all the way down to 942. So a pretty easy multiple percent trade. The bulls did buy the dip, and it is a bullish reversal hammer. We'll see if they can confirm it tomorrow. They're going to have to get over these exponential resistances, which have been rejecting the price over the past few days. Weekly time frame for GoPro. We can see we're still pulling back and trying to establish this higher low. We're going to need a weekly bullish reversal candlestick above 867 to establish a new higher low of support and look for continuation. And right now we'll be watching the middle Bollinger Band support and the 50-week moving average support, but we're not close to those levels yet, as the GoPro bulls are doing their best to find this support now. Otherwise, we're looking down to fill the gap at 904. X on the daily time frame, another one. We were scouting a bullish entry. Bulls showed up in a big way today. There was an oversold 5-minute bounce in the morning, and it certainly ended up playing out big time for the bulls to see this kind of follow through. But that was the initial entry point, and that was down in the mid-24s, 24.45, and here we are closing strong. We have to break the lower high pattern tomorrow, break 25.28, see confirmation of this bullish reversal candlestick, and be looking to see follow through. Now that we broke the lower high pattern, we need higher lows and higher highs. Weekly time frame for X, we can see the equilibrium pattern forming where we have our high, low of the pullback, lower high. This might be our higher low at 24.45. So the range on the weekly is that support and 26.96 as resistance. CHK on the daily time frame, bulls also showing up. Very oversold on the hourly time frame on the initial push down this morning. Bulls bought that dip, held the lower Bollinger Band support, formed a bullish reversal candlestick and a higher low, and we must confirm this candlestick tomorrow with a break of 398 and some follow through. The weekly time frame is trying to form this higher low here, and we need to see the break of 449 for the higher low and higher high to see that follow through, and the middle Bollinger Band on the weekly will be the key resistance level to be keeping an eye on as we look to try and change this momentum. So still worth watching CHK because this higher low does look to be forming, but we have to see this higher high to change the trend on the weekly time frame for the bulls to start to take over. So that's where we stand tomorrow. Keep an eye on Twitter and that inside bar on the daily. If we get a bull break, we can use this level of 1739 as our stop going forward. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.